I fucking tell you?
Come on, boy, Chris over there enjoying the eggs, man. Don't let him hold that.
Man, that light wasn't on. I just pulled the trigger anyway.
Rematch.
What?
Ready? Watch the light.
Yes, Lord. Oh, stop it, Chris.
We got 2 soldiers up there right now, boy. I'm serious. Them boys right there race real good. Chris Jones, one of the fastest ones out there, bro. On the left. Yeah, he one of the fastest. He got his own YouTube channel, RC Drag Life.
Did I tell you? Did I fucking tell you?
Oh, you better hurry up. He said he wants to get back, Chris. Kurt said he wants to get back, Chris.
He said you better not slack off this time.
Driver ready? Watch the light.
Oh, too late. Too late, Kurt. He had the finish line, brother.
For the win. Let's get it, baby.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a 6 feet. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy.
Time to get it, baby. Got my big brothers in my head today.
I got to go ahead and do some test runs. Shit.
That's what I'm finna do. You blew an ESC?
Yeah, so I got different ESC.
Yeah.
So
I ain't touched nothing yet.
No.
Chris, where you went at? Okay, we got my brother Chris in the house, man. Make sure y'all go to his YouTube channel and check it out, baby.
RC Drag Life.
There we go. RC Drag Life, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, it's a turnout, baby. It's a turnout. We finna test this thing out. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? All right. What's up, bro? We got a table full today, don't we?
Got the family over.
Yeah, okay. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. Let's get it. What's up, bro? It cooler?
Yeah.
Oh, you over here charging?
I have to. I used to try it one time, man. That
Yeah.
thing's spinning like a month.
Oh, look what I got today.
Oh.
Hey, you want to put some on?
I got some.
Okay. I'll see y'all. All right. Berto. Where Berto at? All right. What's up, bro? What's up, fam? How y'all doing? All right. Here, baby. I'm here.
Yeah,
The wife them coming. What's up, man? How you doing? All right. What's up, man? The chilling? Yeah, sir. Let's get it. What's up, Papa? How you doing, man? Dante. True Boys RC on YouTube. What's up? Everybody, what it do?
What's up?
What's going on? What's up, bro? They chilling? On deck. Nephew, what's up, baby? What's up, Papa? How you doing? Oh, yes, sir. What's up, bro? Boy, I'm gonna have a broke neck. Berto, what's up? Big Brody, what it do, baby?
What, you with it? Alberto VO5?
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't bring yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We gotta lay him down, lay him down.
Well, what you have this in the car?
Yeah, it's in the car, though.
Ah, okay. I was thinking you.
No, I got him in the car. Oh, you hitting? Damn.
I didn't do that.
Watermelon, make it there. Make it there, watermelon. Uh-oh. Sound like you did something.
She'll be all right.
Sound like you was out there doing something.
Driver's ready. Watch the light.
You got it, bro. You got it. Keep that motherfucker straight. I told you. My boy Chris over there enjoying the eggs, man. Don't let him hold that.
Man, that light wasn't on. I just pulled the trigger anyway.
Rematch.
Uh-oh, we got nitro against electric. Don't let him take off on no electric like that, boy.
Ready? Watch the light.
Yes, Lord. Oh, stop it, Chris. God damn.
You own a shop, but you got some bullshit in your car.
Yes, Lord. That's look awesome.
I ain't gonna tell them in front of you guys.
Check that
You know
out.
what I'm saying? But
Dope.
behind the scenes.
Oh, this car, see you later. This bitch don't play.
Ready, Chris? Watch the light.
Uh-oh.
What you got a bar run?
Oh, he just doing it.
Running.
Okay. Ain't nobody want to tough yet.
Now you done put out another one. Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it. There you go. Good race.
About to find another sticky spot.
Oh, yeah. You know, I'm putting down over there.
Come on, Pat still trying to warm up.
Yeah, because I need to catch y'all again anyway. That sticky gonna help you now. That sticky gonna help you.
Not with these tires.
Oh,
I got it.
you need a little bit of slip.
Yeah, I'm ready. Watch the light.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was Chris.
Two
That was
soldiers up there right now, boy. I'm serious. Them boys right there race real good. Chris Jones, one of the fastest ones out there, bro.
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I fucking tell you? Didn't I tell you? Woo wee!
That boy ain't fucking out. That boy. Fuck you, boy.
Good run, good save, baby.
Dude, right there, Ryder. Bring your cars out here, bro. Get it in. That is dope. That's dope, bro. I like that. Cheating ass bitch. I want to hear that.
Ready?
Yeah. Whenever Berto ready.
Berto, you ready? Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Watch the light.
Tighten up, bitch. Huh? Boy, you seen that?
Tighten up, baby. Yeah. All right, let's get it. I'm ready. Uh-huh.
Watch the light. Nobody come.
Uh-oh.